15 mind-blowing facts you didn't know about Pakistan in under 1 minute. Pakistan is a country in South Asia with a rich and diverse history. Here are some quick facts that you probably didn't know. Pakistan has the world's second highest peak, K2, which stands at 28,251 feet. The world's largest irrigation system is located in Pakistan. The Lahore Museum in Pakistan has the world's largest collection of Buddhist artifacts. The national sport of Pakistan is field hockey. Pakistan is the world's fourth largest producer of mangoes. Pakistan has 6 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Karachi, Pakistan's largest city, is also the world's second most populous city. Approximately 65% of Pakistan's population is under the age of 30. The world's largest deep-sea port is located in Gwadar, Pakistan. One Pakistan's Shah Faisal Mosque is one of the largest mosques in the world. One Pakistan is the only Muslim country to have nuclear power. One the national flower of Pakistan is the jasmine. One the world's highest paved international road, the Karakoram Highway, connects Pakistan and China. One Pakistan has 4 provinces and 1 federal territory. One Urdu and English are the official languages of Pakistan. That's it for now. Hope you learned something new. Subscribe for more.